wanted to do the Build-A-Bike to bring our team together and give them an activity that they can work together and challenge themselves. But at the end of the day, the really reason why we did this is to give back to the community, to allow a child a chance to have their own bike, one that wouldn't. So not only are we doing a team building activity, but we're actually giving back to the community, and there's nothing better than that. By
building the bikes, it's an activity. You're not just donating money or serving food at a food shelter, but you're actually building something, creating something that you're going to then present and give back to the community, to an underprivileged child. So you actually created this experience and this environment for this child. You actually created it and then are going to present it to this child. And so that experience is unlike anything else.
So a company kickoff is built around the company, making sure we all can tell the company's story, making sure we all know the company goals and can recite and repeat them, and go take the marketplace by storm. You could lose perspective. That's why something like this bike build is really important. As a team, we recognize that a culture is being created at this company, not just to take the market by storm, but to do great things in our community. So we created a lot of perspective here to remind everybody that we're going to do good things as a company in the market, and we're going to do great things in the community.